What's going on, YouTube? My name is Malik, and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Before we get into the video, what I need you to do is I need you to like this video, I need you to ring the notification bell, and I need you to subscribe to the channel. The reason I need you to do all of those things is because I'm making videos in an attempt to teach you how to make money online the right way, in a way that's gonna line your pockets, okay? This video is gonna be how we can make money just by clicking one button. There's a bunch of buttons on your computer, and we're gonna make at least $35, at least $35, just by clicking one button on your laptop. It sounds crazy. I know it sounds crazy, but it's possible, and it's what we're gonna do, okay? Follow me all the way into the video because I'm gonna give you a step-by-step way of accomplishing this, okay? I'm not gonna make it hard for you. I'm not gonna make it extra difficult. I'm not here to give you any kind of strenuous work. I want you to work hard, but I don't want you to break your neck trying to do it, okay? There's real easy ways to get what you want offline, okay? Now here we go. The website I want to talk to you guys about today is called People Per Hour. You can go to Google and you can type this website in. It's 100% legit, okay? And this is a freelancing work site. So this is a site to where people come and they offer solutions and jobs for people who need things, and then they get money off of it, all right? You charge a fee for a particular service, and that's what a lot of online businesses are, okay? Online businesses or work from home businesses are things that you're solving a problem for. A lot of online businesses are businesses that solve a problem or offer a solution. And that's what we want to do. We want to offer a solution for people. We want to find something that everyone really needs, and we want to be the number one go-to person to do that. And when you can figure that out, you'll never run out of job opportunities, and you'll never run out of clients, and you'll never run out of money, okay? We need to solve a problem for someone, and I'm going to give you a free business model right now. So let's just browse through one quick more time, okay? You can see this person is working from home, all right? She has her own online business. You can see how much money people earn, how many freelancers and how many businesses use this. Again, you have some incredible solidified, legit businesses that are co-signing how amazing this website is, okay? Hire in minutes or pay per hour. You know, you can find someone very quickly for someone who's looking for a problem to be solved, and you can pay per hour. And trust me, we're not here to charge people $1 million an hour, okay? We're working on volume right now. We're working on volume. We don't need to hit one big lick, okay? We need to just have people come to us, and then we're going to just make money off of those folks, all right? We want to have a long-term business goal here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this website. You're going to sign up, okay? You're going to go up here. It says freelancer. You're going to click that freelancer. It's going to tell you to sign up. It's just going to ask for your name and a couple other details. Nothing crazier than what you usually use to sign up for things, okay? It's 100% free. They're not going to charge you for anything. There's no like background check, nothing like that, okay? They just want you to make an account. And you're going to make an account. You're going to give a little bio. You're going to say, hey, my name is such and such, and I do this. And we're going to talk about what this is, okay? Let's go to how they actually do their business. So this is what someone would come to in order to hire a freelancer on this site, okay? And we're going to just type in remove. See, it comes up. We're going to say background removal. All right. Now, this business model is people need transparent images for a bunch of different things. You know, it could be an ad, it could be a YouTube thumbnail, it could just be anything you could possibly think of. And not everyone knows how to do that. So they hire people to basically remove the background from images so they can have something in the forefront. You see this photo of this woman. All right, here's the before and the after. This bottle here, the before and after. You can see that it's a transparent PNG. So you can take this picture and put it on top of any other picture, and it's just going to be the bottle. It's not going to be anything else, okay? Just like this, if you have a Amazon store or a Shopify store or a online store in general, and you need that clear white background, you can take all kinds of images that are online, and you can just remove the background and use it as your display, okay? Now, you may be thinking, oh my goodness, I can't do any of this graphic design stuff. It's really hard, and I don't have, Adobe Photoshop and things like that. I understand that. I don't have Adobe Photoshop either, but I can still do this, and I'm going to give you the secret in this video, but you have to stay all the way into the end. I'm going to give you a couple tips on how to do this. And I promise you, it sounds crazy, but you can literally remove the background of any photo with one click, and it's going to be free, and you're not going to get charged for anything. Okay. So listen, I want to check out these prices really fast. You see, this is $10, $10, $10, $15, $25, okay? These are people who are just online, $20 here, $25 here. These are just regular freelancers, okay? And you might be thinking, oh, there's already a bunch of people doing this. I don't want to have a whole bunch of competition. I'm never going to get any work. That's the wrong way to think about it, okay? You don't want to go in a lane to where there's no money. Creating your own lane works sometimes, but not when it comes to business. People go into business because there's a need for it. There is a need that needs to be solved, and people are solving it for them. So this is actually a sign that, oh, this is profitable. If this wasn't profitable, you wouldn't have entire pages dedicated to, how many pages does this say? This says 67 pages. 67 pages of people who just removed the background photo out of images. If it was a terrible business model, no one would be doing this, and no one would be charging $10, $20, $35 in order to just cut out the background photo of something, okay? So this is smart. This is something you want to take with you. I'm giving you free game right now, all right? But these prices, they're charging $10. Listen, oftentimes we really think the higher the price point, the more something costs, the better it is, okay? Your outfit, the food you eat, the things you buy, most of the time when you buy something for cheap, you expect it to be cheap-ish, all right? It's not going to last very long, or it's just something quick and easy, right? But when you go out and you actually drop, a significant amount of money on something, you're thinking that this is luxury, you're thinking it's pristine, you're thinking it's high quality, okay? So these folks are charging $10, $5, $15. I would go like this person over here and charge $25, $35 just to do this. And the reason being is because we just associate higher price points with higher quality. So if everyone else is charging $10, okay, it's going to take them 3 or 4 jobs in order to make that 35 we're doing. All I need is 3 or 4 $30 jobs to make a profitable income and make more than the other people, okay? And now if you want to go the other route and just do volume, you can charge $5, beat out everybody, and just, take all the $5 gigs. And it is just a one-click button to do this, so you're not going to take a whole lot of time. I'm just saying it's smarter and maybe more psychological to charge a higher price point to put yourself in a high quality position, okay? There are reviews of these folks, okay? These people have, ratings when you click on their contacts, and when you click on their avatars, they have, reviews saying, oh, this was a good product, or this was a wonderful service, or this, that, and the third. I'm going to show you a way to get those reviews up. But first, I'm going to show you how to remove the background. I know I've been talking, but I really want to be in depth with you all. I want you to win. I want you to have a solid business, and I want you to have a profitable business. So how are we going to remove the background from these photos if we do not have any Photoshop skills whatsoever? What you're going to do is you're going to go to Google. You're going to go to Google and you're going to type in remove BG. And you're going to see this website. It's going to say remove.bg, remove background from image. You're going to click on that website and it's going to take you to this. Now, all you have to do, this is 100% free. This is a free website. All you have to do, you see this woman here? You click the button. You remove the background. In this case, it's going to be this brick wall behind it. You remove the background, and then your client, they take that picture and they put it anywhere they want. They put it anywhere they want, all right? Listen, look at this. Before, they have this full tree here, full forest, and then slowly but surely, boom, you do that. It's gone, okay? Absolutely gone. And all of this just takes one click of a button, all right? And what you would do, you would go up here and you would say, log in, sign up. You want to sign up for a free account, 100% free, 100% free. They're not going to charge you for this, okay? You're going to go in for a free account. They do have other higher price accounts for extra features, so we don't need the extra features. We just need the one button, okay? And you're going to upload your image. And after you upload your image, it's going to show you, hey, remove the background. It's just going to collect the data. You're going to click the button. You're going to remove the background. And then, boom, you just made $35. That easy. Absolutely that easy. And I wouldn't steer you wrong, okay? So once you download the image from this website, you're going to go back to people per hour. You're going to upload it to your client. They're going to deposit everything. I would suggest you get yourself a PayPal account of some kind or some kind of online banking so they can give you money easier. You want to make the process between transactions as effortless as possible. You don't want any hiccups when we get paid, all right? And that's it. Now, again, like I said before, you don't need any Photoshop experience, but they do have reviews on this. So some of these people have been doing it a little bit longer than you have. You know, you're just starting out this business and you're saying, oh my goodness, they're going to pick someone they are already familiar with, or I need good reviews, okay? Anytime you purchase something, anytime you look something up, most of the time you're going to scroll down and look at the reviews and see, you know, what other people are saying who have bought the product, all right? And the way to go about that and fix that problem is you're going to go to Google, you're going to type in photography talk, okay? photographytalk.com. This is a website to where you could submit your photos and people who love photography and editing will comment on them for you, all right? So you could take a client, you can take their request, you can do their request, you can upload that request here, and you can get some reviews for your work that you're doing. And it's all positive work, you know, it's quality work. This is a professional website, you know. They don't know how you did it. They just know that you did it, and that's all that matters. So you're going to go to this website and you're going to say, hey, you know, I did this, check it out. Let me know what you think. And you're going to take those positive reviews. You're going to take those positive reviews. You're going to put it back into your account. Going to put it back into your account here so you have some reviews for people to go to and say, hey, you know, this person really did a great job. I can't believe it. They're so awesome. And then the more clients you get, you know, at the end of the service, once you finish the job, you say, hey, if you could just leave a review, help me out a little bit. People are very, very nice. They'll do that for you. And it's no problem. So this is how you can make $30+ just by clicking one button. Okay? Now, I know that this is a good business model because obviously you can see all the competition on this website, and it takes a little bit of time and it does take a little bit of energy. And I think if you're willing to do this, then you may also be willing to try my #1 way of making money online. Okay, if you've gotten this far in the video, and if you, after you watch this video, you also take time out of your day to sign up and create this business plan, then you're somebody that I need to talk to. And I think that you should click the first link in my description. And that first link in my description is going to take you to what I believe is the #1 way to make money online. It's how you're going to quit your job. It's how you're going to have more freedom, how you're going to have financial freedom and freedom to spend time the way you want to spend time, okay? I'm giving you a passive income opportunity. This is money that you're going to make while you're sleeping. You're not even going to be thinking about it. You're not even going to be working as hard. What you're going to do is you're going to put all the work in the front. You're going to put all your work in the front. You're going to work your butt off, and then you're going to reap the benefits. That's what we want to do. We want to do something. We want to put something together, create a product, and we want to reap the benefits of that product for as long as we can. And that's the offer that I'm trying to give you. All right. And that offer is in the link in my description, the very first link. So only click that link if you're willing to change and work, okay? This isn't for lazy people. This isn't for people who just want to make quick money. This is for people who are serious about changing their life forever, quitting that 9-to-5 job and making money a full-time money-making opportunity online. If that's you, click the first link in the description. My name is Make Money Malik. I need you to like the video. I need you to ring the notification bell, and I need you to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.